Today I'm going to put the headers on. These are American Racing headers, stainless steel, 1 7/8" primaries. These are made specifically for GMA bodies. Per the engine builder, I'm going 1 7/8". They also make a 2-inch primary, but basically I was told that would be best for street application versus race. You can look at the motor here. You can see I've got the alternator on. I put the water pump and the crank pulley, and I'm just getting things put together. Forgot to mention, these headers specifically are made for a 1971 Monte Carlo SS. And I did actually purchase their stainless steel exhaust system that matches these headers. It's supposed to be a slip fit right on, so that'll be included in this build as well, so you guys can take a look at that. It's gonna need a
A wrench.